Finding the absolute best dating apps for lesbians and queer women in 2025 just got easier, and you won't believe some of the surprising contenders that are revolutionizing queer dating. Navigating the online dating world can be tricky, but we've uncovered the top platforms that genuinely cater to queer women, ensuring you find genuine connections without the usual frustrations. Don't miss out. Grab your favorite app early by checking the links in the video description right now. Number 1. Hinge, often touted as the app designed to be deleted, is making huge waves for queer women with its focus on detailed profiles and meaningful prompts, fostering deeper conversations and cutting through the usual noise. Number 2. Bumble flips the script by empowering women to make the first move, a feature many queer women appreciate for controlling initial interactions. Its robust filtering system helps connect you with exactly who you're looking for. Number 3. OkCupid stands out with its comprehensive questionnaire and incredibly progressive stance on gender and sexuality, making it a natural fit for the LGBTQ+ community. This app truly helps you find compatible matches based on shared values, not just a quick swipe. Number 4. Even eharmony, traditionally known for long-term relationships, has dramatically evolved its inclusivity. Many queer women are discovering its detailed matching algorithm can lead to serious, lasting partnerships, challenging old perceptions of the platform. And finally, number 5. Her remains a powerhouse, built specifically by and for queer women and non-binary individuals. This app isn't just about dating, it's a vibrant community hub, offering events and friendships alongside romantic possibilities, eliminating the struggle of sifting through irrelevant profiles. Each of these best dating apps brings something unique to the table, transforming the online dating experience for queer women in incredible ways.